Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Rainbow Queen. It's your girl Zala here, and today I'm going to be showing you some of my slimes I've made using a slime kit. So the first one I'm going to show you is this green one. This is what it looks like on the table, and then it's just a very stretchy one, but it rips very easily. So this one's green puke, I call it, because it's kind of like a puke colour. May look different on camera, but it's like really dark, like super dark. Really low camera, wow. So I have that one. Next one I have is this blue one, and this is what it looks like on the table. This one I called over the top because it's got like beads, and then it's really over the top because I used everything in my slime kit. It's got beads in it, the other one doesn't, and they fall out super easy. And I made this pink one, but it dried up super easily because I left it out and I didn't realise it would dry up super easily, so now it's like dry and rippy and it's just gone. And I call this rainbow pink, so that one's just not good. This one is spider web, and this is what it looks like. Oh, this is what it looked like on the table, this one here. Let me form it back to its shape, to what it looked like. This is what it looked like on the table. It was all messy. This is what this one looks like in the container. This one's very kind of sticky, and it's spider web, but for some reason I actually like it sticky because it goes with the kind of theme. So I actually kind of like how it is. This one's got beads in it, and I use green, and it's green glow in the dark blue, so it glows in the dark. I can kind of show you, but it's too light outside. Take it off. So this is this one. The next one's called black pepper, and this one has lots of beads in it. Just gotta get the slime off my fingers, guys. This one's called black pepper. This is what it looks like in the container. And this one's just got lots of beads in it, as you can tell. It's really crunchy. You ready? Wait for it. Ready? It crunches. So yeah, that's all my slimes. Before I go, make sure you like, subscribe, turn it from red to grey, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Remember, we love you. Stay tuned for another video.